Maybe you've attended an event or a webinar, or even a couple of them this year, on current trends on emerging technologies and industry standards in the field of industrial digitization. But who's actually implementing them? Who's really doing the work? What actually works in the complex reality of production environments? That's exactly what our innovation event for the process industry, together with Namur, is all about. Day one was about understanding the technologies, the concepts behind them, and the challenges they aim to solve. Day two is all about implementation. Across 16 demonstrators from different fields, we see the power of many members from different companies working together to drive industrial digitization forward. But who am I to tell you about it? Let's have our community talk about why working together is a better way to move forward.
AI is leveraging its real power when it can be done cross-domain and cross-processes. This can only be done when the operators, manufacturers and software vendors work together.
Yeah, there are so many new technologies which are very important, and here collaboration is key, so that not everyone alone has to find out how it works.
If we do it as multiple companies together, we can adopt technologies faster and bring it into real life.
To get the best solutions for data ecosystems so that we can handle the future challenges.
This is the reason why OI4 is more important than ever as the implementation alliance.
Why we are part of this community is very clear. See it as beautiful events like this. Here you see customers, end users, all the vendors, they're working together on new technologies, on new solutions.
Changing with others here in this event really helps me to get a better understanding on how we can help our customers and how the industry is working on the topic.
And it's most important to have this collaboration for really interoperable system solutions that can bring different systems together and work smoothly and seamlessly.
Motivation for the innovation in this community is tremendously high. Keeping up with it is key to success, honestly. So this is why I'm part of this community.
And it's the first community where I see that you have really demonstrators which really show what is possible in the Industry 4.0.
And we really want to call you to be part of this community, to work together with associations, with operators, with manufacturers on our very important topics.